like,
subscribe.
click the bell please.
Thank you. So right up there is Burgo Street. This is Sinet Towers. This is the Bitcoin ATM. It's right in there. You can actually see it. It's quite a big building. And if you look, it's right across from Let's Talk Dirty Dry Cleaning and Laundry. Okay, so right down the road is the Bitcoin ATM that's in Manila. So how this would work is I would send Bitcoin to Rochelle or to anyone. She can take it off her computer, put it onto her phone, like a wallet onto her phone, walk down here, and then sell that Bitcoin for cash in this machine. She would like type in a little code, scan it, and they kind of walk you through it right here as you do it, how to get cash. But there's usually between a 5-minute or 1-hour wait now because Bitcoin is kind of slowed. They're making these machines now with other currencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and we'll see. I've heard Ripple, but we don't know yet. I think Bitcoin and money transfer is still in its infancy, and this will get more and more easier as time goes by. Okay, we're talking through it again. So what you do is you take the cash. And then you find the amount you want. You send it. You scan this with your phone. That's the address you're going to send it to. It sends it to that address in the Bitcoin ATM, and then you wait there. Then you have to wait 5 minutes. Input the redemption code, and then it will dispense the cash from the machine once you get it. So it's a little bit of a process, but again, you can avert and get it out of the whole banking. So if you don't have a bank account, like if she didn't have a bank account, she can do it with just her phone. So there's a lot of possibilities and stuff down the road with this. I think it's just developing, and it'll be great. It's my opinion. So this is right down the way from us Clipper singles.
Like,
subscribe.
click the bell please.
Thank you.